Hello class. So today we will be learning a little bit about adjectives. I'm sure some of you have heard most of the words that you can see on the screen. Exciting, lucky, joyful, honest, yellow, busy, eager, heroic, quiet. Okay, so let's move forward. We're going to learn a little bit about adjectives and what they do. So the first question is, what is an adjective? So I want you to think about 2, 3 words, whatever you can, of describing a puppy. What words do you think about when you hear that? Describe a puppy or describe an elephant. To me, well, if I was told describe a puppy, I would probably think cute, soft, small, depending on the breed. And as for an elephant, well, huge, gray, right? Enormous. Those are kind of some of the words that come to mind, I'd hope. So here is the definition to what an adjective is. It is a word that gives more information about a noun. An adjective describes a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea. So here you can see strong, weak. An adjective modifies a noun. Brown, loud, happy, beach, cold, and hot. What do adjectives do? Well, adjectives tell about color, size, sound, and shape. Here's an example of color. The green, here's our adjective, slide is outside. The huge dog jumped over the gate. The quiet girl fell asleep. And the oval mirror shattered. So not only will we learn how adjectives can modify a noun, but we also need to know what order they go in. So here is a list of what order you can place your adjectives. So here I put I guess a sentence for you that I have. It says, the blank, blank, blank cake was spoiled. And I have these words for you: oval, pink, and huge. So can you put these adjectives in order? All you have to do is look at what you have here. You have oval, which is a shape, right? You have pink, which is a color, and you have huge, which is a size. So size goes second, okay? So here's size, and here's shape, and here's color. So we need size, shape, and color. Whoops. Let's go back there. Okay. So we said size, shape, or color, and color. So the huge oval pink cake was spoiled. Okay, that's and you can try doing this on your own, changing the sentence up a bit, and have this to help to guide you. Okay, so now look around and describe things around you. Well, where I'm sitting, I have flowers, so I can say that I have purple flowers. I can also see some yellow bananas and a large table, a squared table. These are all things I can see. So I'll give you a couple seconds to look around and continue to think of words that can describe anything that you see. Maybe a muffin, a sprinkled muffin, soft muffin. Now I'm getting hungry. All right, let's move on. So here are some adjectives in these simple sentences. He runs fast, she runs faster, Angie is strong, Hema is loud, it was a cold day, adjectives have important jobs, my purple pants shrunk, the meteor shower was amazing, it was an adventurous field trip, I do not like lumpy oatmeal. So let's get ready. Practice at home as much as you can. We will be playing an adjective elimination game in class where I will give you 60 seconds. Well, first I will give you an image. I won't tell you what it is, but I will give you an image and I will give each group 60 seconds to write down as many words as they can describing the image, and we will see who can come up with the most. And we will also be expanding our sentences in class. We will be doing this by starting off with a simple sentence like the boy is carrying a book, and possibly add more adjectives to make that sentence more interesting. And if there's time, we will be able to take a walking field trip around our school and describe as much as we can see. All right, so practice as much as you can and have a great day. Bye.